What is up, guys? So we're taking a look at Brighton Communication. Now they currently have caller position available remotely, meaning you can do this from home. I should mention this is from inside the US. Basically, this is a chance where you can earn up to $18 per hour. And normally, what's going to happen is that they're looking for personnel to provide their client with source of new leads for their products or service. Now, the requirements are, let's go to the requirements. The requirements are high-speed internet access. You need good quality working phone line take inbound call from our dialer. You need a quiet working environment. Also, you may work at between 20 hours up to 20 between 20 to 30 hours per week. Now, they do allow you to work anytime between Monday to Friday between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. East Coast time. Now, if you're interested in it, and again, this is for those within the US, you can just go to the page. I will leave a link below. You can fill out your information and submit your application. Alright, guys, now I'm just gonna put this video up here. I want to try start to make pushing up more videos for you guys, more opportunities that I found them. Just in case I'm a bit busy at the moment, which is preventing me from doing justice. But I'll try my best to get them out to you as soon as possible. Well, guys, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.